Okay, I'm going to show how to find the critical points of a function. So first, we're going to write our function. Alright, now that we have our function, the first step is to find f prime of the function. So to do that, do f prime equals, bring number 3 in front of x. We have 3x, subtract 1 from 3, the exponent 3, and we have square minus 48. That's f prime. Then the third step is to equal this terms to 0. So let's do that. 3x squared minus 48 equals to 0. We know that 3 and 48 multiple 3, so we can factor the 3 out. So we have only x squared minus, I will say, 16 equals 0. And we can cancel this 3 out, since we can divide it by 3. And we're going to end up with x squared minus 16 equals to 0. Now we need to do this here. Okay. So now we need two numbers. One that added will give us 0, and multiply will give us negative 16. So those numbers will be x plus something and x minus something equals 0. So two numbers give us, multiply, I'll say positive 4 and negative 4. So when x plus 4 equals to 0, x is equals to negative 4. And when x minus 4 is equals to 0, x is equals to positive 4. And that's it. These are our critical points. Hope you like. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know under the contact link on the website. Have a good day, and see you soon.